Hey guys, Dan here at Milani Norman Auto Sales doing a walkthrough video with you. Today we have a 2009 Ford F350 Super Duty. This is the Lariat trim model. Absolutely gorgeous truck. I have not seen one of this year look this good. The condition is absolutely gorgeous. Previous owner was an older fellow. He didn't need the truck anymore. It is equipped with the 6.4 liter twin turbo diesel power stroke. As you can hear, it's running like an absolute clock. Made it to the 5-speed torque shift automatic transmission. It does have 4-wheel drive. If you're looking for a tow rig, this is the one. Take a look at the inside here. Absolutely mint. Beautiful leather interior, heated seats, sunroof. Very, very nice. Again, there's only 150,000 kilometers. It just rolled over. As you can see right there, it does have the HS tuner. Very, very nice backup camera. There's the 4x4 traction control, foot adjustments, trailer brake, all these auxiliaries for the lights. As you can see, heated seats, premium audio, very, very nice leather wrapped steering wheel. Does have the bench seat so the console can go up. You can seat 6. Show you the back here. Absolutely gorgeous. Right, there you have it. It does have the it's got the 8-speaker premium audio system with a subwoofer. It is the 5th wheel package with the 16K 5th wheel hitch, and that's ARP head studded motor with the HS minimax tuner, EGR delete, AFE cold air intake, DPF cat delete, the list goes on, guys. Absolutely beautiful truck, priced to sell. My name is Daniel. I'm a sales consultant here. Give me a call at 604-809-7068 with all sales inquiries. Take care and have a great day.